Great. Thank you very much, Rob. Really appreciate it. Hello, everybody. We are Orbital. So today, first of all, thank you very much for being here. I know it's very exciting to sit through another senior presentation. We are Orbital. Before we begin, I just want to see a quick show of hands. Who here felt isolated during the pandemic? Now, this could be a momentary feeling or one that lasted a while. Well, how about that? The pandemic isolated people. Surprise, right? Well, to be quite honest, we also felt some of that isolation. And so, as a team, we set a goal to create an interactive art installation where visitors can collaborate with one another in real time. And today, we're going to be running through the journey of creating Orbital from ideation through execution. Now, we're going to take this time to introduce ourselves. I'm Charles Wolloch. I was our project manager.
I'm Melissa Gabriele. I was our user interface designer.
I'm Reid Dumont. I was our user experience designer.
And I'm James Zangari, and I was our developer.
What we set out to accomplish is the creation of a COVID-safe, interactive art installation, allowing for the collaboration of visitors to manipulate and create a one-of-a-kind galaxy in real time.
Now, in order for us to succeed at this, we started by spending one term researching and ideating, conducting interviews, user workshops, meeting with industry professionals, and conducting other user research methodologies to gain insights into what creates engaging, memorable, and fun interactive art. It was also at this time that we identified the Drexel student population as being our target audience. And during our second term, we began forming our user experience, interaction, and interface designs. We tested our prototype with real users based off of that target audience and used those insights to refine our approach and ideas. Then, during our third and final term, we took all of those insights, created our developed system based off of those, and we were able to execute our exhibit event.
The early development stages of the Orbital web app were crucial to making sure that our end goal was achievable through available resources and technology. Using MongoDB, we created a database that stored the information for all the users' planets with a unique identifier. After connecting this database to the web app, the next step was to manipulate these objects with the 3D libraries. The goal was to transform these objects into a solar system of orbiting planets. Each planet that gets added to the database receives an X and Y radius that exponentially grows, creating individual orbit paths that create the collaborative solar system known as Orbital.
The planet creation was an essential part of our installation. This is how visitors brought their planets to life. The planet creation is what made our installation collaborative, so we wanted to make sure it was easy to use and understand. Visitors used the planet creation to create their unique planets, which were projected among the stars as part of our collaborative solar system. Our first round of design was tested with users around December of 2021. Feedback we got from users showed us that we explained too much with text and not enough with visuals. Users also did not notice or enjoy using the bottom scroll menu. This feedback helped influence a completely new design which users understood and enjoyed more. This new design was much less text-heavy, showing rather than explaining. This design used tabs to guide the users through the flow and incorporated planet type selection as one of the tabs so users could easily edit this if desired. Our final round of design focused on small changes now that we had a flowdown that users understood and enjoyed. Our final design was a streamlined process that took around a minute to complete and had enough variability that each visitor could create a unique planet. We achieved our goal of creating a process that was quick and easy to use and understand.
The Mission Control Center was intended to showcase the last planet added, as well as all of its relevant information, as well as the total number of planets discovered in the galaxy, as well as the breakdown per planet type. This quickly became the main attraction of our exhibit. Users loved seeing their planets get added in real time in front of them, and this aspect gamified our exhibit and increased user retention.
The Planet Codex stored the data for each planet created during the installation. Visitors use the joystick to scroll through the codex and view each planet created.
The event was held in the Westfall lobby of Drexel. We mocked up multiple layouts, including this 3D mock-up of our final setup. We made use of Westfall's large lobby monitor for the mission control screen, while the Galaxy codex and observation screens were set up with our own equipment. We did the 3D mock-ups in order to make sure that we were making the best use of the space given to us possible, while also allowing for faster setup and takedown on the actual event date. Please take a look at this brief video showcasing the Orbital event to you all. Lastly, we'd like to thank the faculty and volunteers that helped us put on the event, and we'd also like to thank you for your time. Please visit us at the expo to learn more.
All right. Well done, Orbital. All right. Congratulations.